आज आई थॉट we'll talk about children, but उससे पहले let's talk about us. Let's talk about motherhood. Let's talk about the struggles we go through. Let's talk about कि हमारी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है. Okay? So, how do you want to proceed today? I have a lot to talk about motherhood because there is a lot of things that keeps going on. I feel that finally I could see this. Yes. Finally I got it. Yes. अब मैं सेट हूँ एकदम. अब बताओ. तो प्लीज हिंदी में बोलिए. देखिए मैं दोनों में बोलती हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश में भी बोलती हूँ, मैं हिंदी में भी बोलती हूँ. I am more comfortable talking in English, but I mix Hindi as well in between because there are certain things you cannot talk in English जिसका मतलब सेम हिंदी में आता है. तो आज हम मदरहुड के बारे में बात करेंगे. ओके. See, why I want to talk about motherhood is क्योंकि I am always getting questions about मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं करता, मेरा बच्चा वो नहीं करता, मेरे को गुस्सा आ जाता है, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता है, मेरे बच्चे को मैं थप्पड़ मार देती हूँ और मुझे फिर अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि उसने ऐसा किया, या बाद में मुझे ही रिग्रेट होता है. ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस मदर्स रिग्रेट एक बार बच्चे को डांटने के बाद या गुस्सा करने के बाद या थप्पड़ मारने के बाद. तो किस किस को रिग्रेट होता है बताइए. मैंने तो आज तक थप्पड़ मारा नहीं है तो मेरे को वैसा रिग्रेट नहीं होता है. बट हाँ, कभी कभी व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि अगर मैंने ज़्यादा रूडली बोल दिया और आई शाउटेड एंड आई न्यू कि मैं उसकी गलती की वजह से शाउट नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं किसी चीज़ से फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हूँ इसलिए मैं शाउट कर रही हूँ. जब ऐसा होता है, so how many of you, yes, all these things will get saved. Okay, मेरी रिंग लाइट आज थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम दे रही है, बट एनीवेज. हाँ, so किस किस को होता है, टेल मी. पुट एन आई if you regret after hitting your child or after screaming your child, and especially if you know कि उस बेचारे की कोई गलती भी नहीं थी या इतनी भी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं थी. Okay, so put in me or put in I in the comments box. And for all of you who have joined my life for the first time, thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for spending the next 1 hour with me. I know we all are very busy, but अगर आपने time निकाला है to come and spend this hour with me, then I am pretty honored because I know you can do something else as well. But you have decided to spend this time learning more, to understanding more, and to be a much better parent for your child and do better for yourself. So my full regard and my full appreciation and respect for you. So coming back to my question, yes, I can see a lot of I in the comments box. In the comments box, ठीक है. I see, I do it, what to do, ma'am, please give some suggestions. See, today आज हम मदरहुड की बात ही करेंगे. आज हम बच्चों की थोड़ी कम बात करेंगे और आज हम मदरहुड की बात करेंगे. ओके, मदरहुड की इसलिए बात करेंगे क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग ना अपने ऊपर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ले लेते हैं. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें कभी गुस्सा आना नहीं चाहिए, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे मदर्स ने या ग्रैंड मदर्स ने या सोसाइटी ने ऐसा प्रेशर डाल के रखा है हमारे ऊपर कि मतलब जिसे कहते हैं ना कि वी हैव टू मच एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम आवर ओन सेल्फ, कि मतलब कि मेरे को ये भी करना है, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे ये भी करना है, एंड आई हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग परफेक्टली बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट द सोसाइटी एक्सपेक्ट्स. बट ऐसा फैक्ट नहीं है. ऐसी एक्सपेक्टेशन फादर्स से नहीं होती है. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, लेट मी टेल यू आज सुबह ही क्या हुआ. सो मॉर्निंग आई गो टू द जिम. ओके, सो आई हैव अ पार्टनर, लाइक मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, हम दोनों जाते हैं. सो एवरी टाइम वी हैव टू डिस्कस ना कि अच्छा नेक्स्ट सेशन कब करेंगे. वी स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग, अच्छा बच्चे कहाँ होंगे, अच्छा वो अच्छा 8 to 9 करना है, अच्छा ठीक है मैं ना जोरावर को यहाँ भेज दूंगी. एंड माई फ्रेंड सेज अच्छा नहीं, बट उस टाइम पे ना मेरा बेटा तो घर पे होगा, सो आई एम नॉट श्योर. एंड वी वर डिस्कसिंग और हमारा ट्रेनर ना हमारी शक्ल देख रहे थे. तो मैंने अपने ट्रेनर से पूछा, मैंने कहा एक सच्ची बात बताना, मैंने कहा सच्ची बात बता, तू लाइक लेडीज को भी ट्रेन करता है, यू ट्रेन मेन एज वेल राइट. कहता हाँ. मैंने कहा आज तक तुमने कभी सुना है कि किसी मेल क्लाइंट ने ये बोला हो कि यार मैं ना अपना टाइमिंग चेक करता हूँ डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कि मेरे बच्चे की क्लास है कि नहीं है, मेरा बच्चा उस टाइम पे क्या कर रहा होगा, उसको कोई टेक केयर करने के लिए होगा कि नहीं होगा घर में, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल कंफर्म माई टाइम टू यू. तो मेरा ट्रेनर कहता है नहीं मैम, ये सिर्फ मदर्स को ही होता है कि जब भी मैं बोलता हूँ कि आप 8 to 9 आ जाओ या 9 to 10 आ जाओ, फर्स्ट थिंग दे सेज नो वेट, आई हैव टू सी कि मेरे बच्चे का क्या शेड्यूल है, उसका ध्यान कौन रखेगा, एंड देन दे कंफर्म बैक टू यू. एंड आई सेड देन व्हाट डू मेन जनरली से? सो ही सेज मैम जनरली तो दे विल जस्ट चेक देयर कैलेंडर एंड टेल इफ दे हैव अ मीटिंग और नॉट, एंड दैट्स इट. मैंने कहा सी, दिस इज how complicated, I won't say complicated, but this is how diverse our life is as mothers, you know. हमें यही नहीं सोचना है कि मेरे बच्चे की मतलब मैं यहाँ जा सकती हूँ कि नहीं जा सकती हूँ. आई इवन हैव टू थिंक कि उस टाइम पे इफ आई हैव टू गो समवेयर, व्हाट इज माय चाइल्ड गोइंग टू डू, हु इज गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ माय चाइल्ड, व्हाट इज द बैकअप, यू नो. सो we have a brain which has to multitask. So let's first accept that. Okay, instead of getting irritated about it, let's first accept that कि God has given us a privilege to be mothers. God has given us a privilege to bring a child on this earth, and with that he has also given us a privilege to have a mind which can multitask. I know it feels very overwhelming sometimes, especially when we look at our husband and we are like, यार ये इसको तो सोचना नहीं पड़ता, मुझे क्यों सोचना पड़ता है? Why do only I have to think about it? Why do only I have to do this? You have to do this because that is how the world is. Instead of fighting it, instead of resenting it, instead of saying why I have to go through all this, it's better to say I accept it because maybe that's the privilege that God has given me. You know, because that's the privilege that I am in. This is my situation. I need to find a better way to deal with it. इरिटेट होके क्या होगा ना, यू आर गोइंग टू लूज योर स्टेट. इरिटेट होके क्या होगा, आप और इरिटेट होंगे, एंड देन विद दैट इरिटेशन यू आर गोइंग टू मेक रॉन्ग डिसीजन. दैट इरिटेशन इज गोइंग टू कम आउट विद योर हस्बैंड के साथ रिलेशनशिप में, घर में, बच्चे के ऊपर. सो माई फर्स्ट रूल, something personal I'm going to tell you. Okay, my first rule from the time I've become mother is, first 1.5 years तो I had too much expectation from everybody. Okay, everybody. उसके बाद I understood, listen, this is how it is going to be. Either I tell my expectation very clearly to my partner or to my mother or my mother-in-law, and I figure out my dynamics in the house कि भैया this is what I want to do and you are responsible to take care of the child at that time, or I do it myself but I do it happily. देखो काम वो करना ही क्यों जब उसके बाद हमें ये लगे कि यार ये मेरे को करना पड़ रहा है, आई डोंट लाइक इट, आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. ऐसे में यू आर जस्ट गिविंग अ नेगेटिव एनर्जी टू इवन डूइंग दैट थिंग. इट्स बेटर नॉट टू डू ओनली. आई डोंट नो इफ यू बिलीव इन energies or not, but energy is there. Okay, so instead of getting irritated that why me, why my husband can't do this, why he is so privileged to just go and do whatever he wants to do, it's okay, you know. Another thing is, as mothers, as women, we try to compare. यार उसका हस्बैंड तो बहुत हेल्प करता है, तुम तो हेल्प नहीं करते हो. यार उसका हस्बैंड तो ये भी करता है, तुम नहीं करते हो. यार वो तो ये भी करता है, उसके घर में इतने फैमिली में मेंबर्स है, उसके इतने स्टाफ है, उसके पास इतना हेल्प है, ठीक है, मेरे पास नहीं है. आप when you cannot change something in your life, when you cannot change something in your life, it's better to accept it wholeheartedly and do the best. जब आप अपनी लाइफ में कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो ना, it's better to first accept the circumstance and then do the best you can do in that circumstance. Like one person asked me, ma'am, but I see that you have all these coaches and influencers and everybody, they are working also, they are taking care of the kids also, they are doing this also. Yes, they are doing a lot of things, but at the back end उनकी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है आपको नहीं पता है. आपको लग रहा है कि यार वो सब कुछ बहुत इजीली मैनेज कर रही है, but that is not the truth. That is absolutely not the truth of what is happening in anybody's life. Okay, so mothers, point number 1, accept where you are today. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, or whether you are a working mother, or whether you are working from home kind of a mother, or whether you are just enjoying your life and enjoying your kids' time wala mother, it is perfectly fine the way you are. Your child do not need a perfect mother. There is no such thing as a perfect mother or a perfect human. Your child needs a happy mother. Your child needs a mother who is always emotionally available to them. आपने देखा होगा ना मदर्स की, जब आप सैड होते हैं ना, योर चाइल्ड विल बी द फर्स्ट वन टू बी लाइक ये क्या हो गया, ये मम्मी क्यों रो रही है, ये मम्मी क्यों सैड हो गई है, यू नो, बिकॉज उनको ऐसा लगता है कि देयर वर्ल्ड हैज सडनली बिकम सैडर। उनको ये लगता है कि यार माय मदर इज द स्ट्रेंथ। हम में से कितने लोगों को लगता है टिल डेट दैट इवन इफ वी हैव ग्रोन अप दैट आवर मदर इज द स्ट्रेंथ और द पिलर फॉर अस। द सेम इज फॉर योर चाइल्ड एज वेल। they would be more than happy to see you happy because that gives them that stability, that gives them that fact कि ठीक है यार everything is good. I'm not justifying and saying कि you should never show your emotions to your child. Okay, you should never be sad. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is first and foremost accept where you are. The problem that I see with a lot of mothers is they do not want to work on themselves, they just want to work on the kid. Okay, they are like यार मेरे बच्चे को ठीक कर दो, यार मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं कर रहा है, यार ऐसे हो रहा है, यार मैं बहुत गुस्सा कर रही हूँ बच्चे को. I always ask them, I said आप गुस्सा कर रहे हो, आपके अंदर क्या हो रहा है ये बताओ. What is happening within you? When you are irritated, something is happening within you. Okay, for example, ऑन अ गुड डे, जिस दिन आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है, थिंग्स आर गोइंग एज पर यू, थिंग्स वट एवर यू वॉन्ट इज हैपनिंग, यू नो, उस दिन आपका बच्चा कुछ गलती करता है ना, यू वुड रिएक्ट इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. यू विल बी लाइक अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम देख लेना, ओ हो तुमने ऐसे कर दिया, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स फिगर इट आउट टुगेदर. एंड द डे तुम भरे हुए होते हो ना एकदम कि मतलब मेड भी नहीं आई है, मुझे आई एम फीलिंग नॉट गुड अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई फील आई हैव लॉस्ट माई सेल्फ समवेयर इन मदरहुड एंड नो बडी इज लिसनिंग टू मी, एंड मेरे को इन लॉज का प्रेशर आ रहा है, इधर से प्रेशर आ रहा है, अगर इफ आई एम वर्किंग देन आई हैव माई वर्क प्रेशर, एंड देन इफ माई चाइल्ड मेक्स अ मिस्टेक, what do? I snap instantly. Why? Because emotionally I am too full to even regulate myself. और तब ये थप्पड़ वप्पड़ पड़ते हैं बिकॉज मेरे पास अभी वो पेशेंस ही नहीं बचा है टू हैंडल यू. ओके, मेरे पास पेशेंस ही नहीं है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल ऑनेस्टली टेल मी दिस कि द डेज दैट यू हैव अ गुड डे and your child does a mischief or your child is being naughty, you react differently on days that are stressful for you. जिस दिन आपका stressful वाला दिन होता है, जिस दिन चीजें आपके हिसाब से नहीं हो रही है, जिस दिन आपने मतलब जिस दिन आपको अपने बारे में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, जिस दिन आपको लग रहा है कि आई एम नॉट डूइंग इनफ इन माई लाइफ, that day do you behave nicely with your child or do you react easily? Tell me in comments right now. What do you, which do you see a difference in your behavior depending upon what mood you are in? ओके, तब तक मैं थोड़े कमेंट्स पढ़ लूँ. इस सेटअप में क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि थोड़े कमेंट्स इधर आते हैं, थोड़े कमेंट्स इधर आ रहे हैं, सो आई हैव टू सी बोथ द कमेंट्स कि चल क्या रहा है. सो टेल मी, सो माय क्वेश्चन, आई विल अगेन आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन, ओके, कि व्हाट आई सेइंग, हाँ, कि द डेज दैट यू आर हैविंग अ गुड डे, वो दिन में द वे यू बिहेव विद योर चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट देन the day things are not happening as per you. Yes, I saw different. Yes, you are right. Okay, I need more answers because I want to tell you something on this. आप आंसर क्यों नहीं देते? देखिए ऐसा है, मैं काफी आंसर देती हूँ, मैं हर एक का आंसर नहीं दे सकती. ये भी दिस इज समथिंग दैट वेयर आई एक्सपेक्ट लिटिल बिट ऑफ understanding from my viewers that I have close to 3 lakh followers. I cannot reply to all the DMs. I am a mother. This is like my part-time thing that I do because I love doing it. Okay, so have some understanding towards another mother that she is also dealing with a lot. I cannot read all the comments also. It comes very fast in the feed. Okay, so I do my best. I am doing my best. If you can see that, I will really appreciate it. If you cannot, that is also fine. Not a big difference. Definitely it's bigger struggle to keep your calm on a bad day. Yes, now you tell me something with all these things. चलो ये realization तो हमें हो गई कि जिस दिन I am feeling better, my reaction is better, my relationship with the other person, whether it's my child, my husband, everybody else is better. Correct? ये तो हो गई हमारी, है ना. अब पॉइंट ये है कि am I ready to work on myself? How many of you are here who come with a mindset that I want to work on myself. मैं अगर खुद ही ठीक नहीं, मतलब अगर मैं इमोशनली खुद ही अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, देन ऑल दिस क्विक फिक्सेस दैट आई कीप डूइंग, कि मैं अपने बच्चे को कैसे खाना खिलाऊं, how do I potty train my child, how do I stop the tantrums of my child, how do I build confidence in my child, how long is it going to sustain? You want to build confidence on your with your child, you want to build confidence in your child. However, you are not confident, however you are not emotionally stable, however you do not know how to regulate your emotions, how are you going to do that for your child is my question. When you do not know how to do something, can you teach it to somebody else? When you are not ready to learn something new, can you make someone else learn something? So how many of you in this group right now, we have around 39 here and I have 7 on Facebook, okay, so around 45 people, okay, we have ki how many of you do something in a month, in a day, which is for you, which is making you grow, which is taking you to another level, which is making you feel better. And I do not mean working, I do not mean going to a job. So for some people that can be good as well, you know, because they feel their identity very attached to the job they do, that is fine as well. But उसके अलावा आप में से कितने लोग दिन में spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, or in a month do something that makes you feel that you have grown a little bit? Type yes if you're one of those. I really want to see that. Till the time मेरी मम्मी का मैसेज आए मैं पढ़ लूँ, नहीं तो डांट पड़ेगी। इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं आ रहा है, आ रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे मम्मी, देखो देखो, तुम 40 साल के हो जाओ बट मम्मी से तब भी डर लगता है। And on or else see on Facebook. So my mother is my biggest fan. She comes on all my lives and then after that she just says, "Hi, it was good." That's the only answer I get always. नहीं बेटे को हैंडल नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Okay, she has joined. Okay. Okay, coming to, so I have asked you a question. How many of you work on yourself? How many of you? Okay, there's a very good answer. Someone, can you save this video? Yes, all my videos get saved, but on YouTube. So I give the link on my YouTube. Sorry, I give the link on my stories on Instagram. You can go and subscribe to my YouTube. All my lives are saved on YouTube. Why I do it on YouTube is because it's easier to go ahead. It's easier to come back and do that. So iske liye. So now coming back to the question again. How many of you do something in a month, in a day, which makes you feel that you have grown a little bit? I'll tell you why I'm saying this growing wala point again and again. That makes you feel that you have done something else. That makes you feel ki that makes you feel that, you know, ki मैंने कुछ किया. That makes you feel little bit of achievement. How many of you do that? Okay. Thank you, Kamya. I like this look. Me too. But anyways, coming back to, and there's not even one person in this room of 30, 45 people in total who do anything. Like for example, for me, if I go to the gym, I feel, yeah, I was waiting for you, Rajini. I was like, why she has not put her hand up or just said yes? Because I know you're the biggest learner, you know. That is one thing I love about you. See, I'll tell you why. I have no time for something for myself. Oh, wait, I need to see this person. Okay. Cow cub. Okay. Now, ma'am, I have no time for myself. Me. Very good. I don't do anything for me. Impose. Let me tell you something, okay? This thing, I do workout every day. Very good. I was searching for this icon. Acha. Okay. So, anyways. So see, I'll tell you what, when mother says that I do not have time, you know what you're telling me? I do not prioritize myself. अगर आप खुद ही खुश नहीं होगे तो बच्चों को क्या दोगे? Can a empty cup pour into another cup? अगर ग्लास में, अगर मेरे इसमें, अगर मेरे आइस टी में कुछ नहीं है, खाली है, and this is my child's cup. Can I pour anything in this? Can I pour anything? I cannot pour, क्योंकि ये empty है. तो अगर मैं खुद ही empty हूँ अंदर, if I am sad, what am I going to pour into my child? Please tell me. If I am sad as a mother, if I am frustrated as a mother, if I don't see myself in the highest self, in the sense, if I don't value myself, what am I pouring into my child? What am I pouring into my child? So till the time I wait for the answers, Kamya right here, badminton puts me in the right mind, set the tone for the day. Me happy is equal to everyone happy. Exactly. If a mother of the house, if the woman of the house is happy, everybody around you is happy. तो अगर आपके घर में कोई ये आपको बोलता है ना कि नहीं तुम ये मत करो, तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है, या मैं बच्चों को नहीं देख सकता 1 घंटा, या फिर खाना कौन बनाएगा, मैं बोलूँ क्या बोलो उसको पलट के बोलो, देखो ऐसा है, अगर मैं नहीं खुश ना, घर में कोई खुश नहीं होने वाला. मेरे घर के एंट्रेंस पे ना, फ्रॉम द टाइम आई एम मैरिड, देयर इज अ board which is written, and it is always stayed in the entrance of my house, which says happy wife, happy life. This is from day one of our marriage. I have put it. It's over the shoe rack. Every time you enter the house, you see it. And I tell my husband from day one, if I am not happy, the house is not going to be happy. And it's a fact. How many of you believe that? It's a fact. If you're not happy as a woman, the house cannot be happy. How many of you have seen that? How many of you have seen that? I remember आज भी, if my mother is not happy, if my mother is unwell, if my mother को थोड़ा भी कुछ होता है, no matter how big we have become, no matter हम लोग जो भी कर ले, all of us goes little bit like, अरे ये क्या हो गया? It's like the entire house has shaken. We want her to be fine. We always want her to be, भाई तुम ठीक रहो. Health wise, and health is not only physical health, mental health as well of a mother. क्योंकि अगर मैं मेंटली नहीं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, अगर मैं मेंटली सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हूँ, व्हाट एम आई गोइंग टू टेल माय चाइल्ड? भाई, I cannot teach something to someone if I do not believe in it. Can I teach you manifestation if I don't do it? Can I teach you gratitude if I don't do it? Can I teach you parenting, if like gentle parenting or positive discipline, if I do not do the same with my child? You will know it instantly. Like for example, last year I did few collabs about जिसे कहते हैं ना, sheets. Let's be very honest, okay? I'm a very, if you have been following me till now, you know that I am a very honest person. I'll say things because I feel authenticity is what we need in this world, okay? So I'll tell you something about honesty. If I don't believe in something, I cannot make you also believe it because I don't believe in it. So last year I did a collab where I showed my child doing sheets. Okay, it's a good sheet and it is a good product. It may be a good product. I do not know. Okay, how I do not know? Because I don't come from that belief that before 6 years of age I should put my child into doing something like that. I do not come with my belief. And did you know that collab even didn't do well at all? क्यों नहीं करेगा? Because I don't believe in it. With me, you can understand that this is not what Divya is. So when my child sees that, mama is only giving me gyan, but she herself is not taking care of herself, do you think my child is going to believe me? If I tell my child, do not lie, and I keep lying here and there a little bit, do you think my child is going to believe me? If I keep telling my child that, darling, you should not get angry, you should not hit other people, you should be calm, you should be kind, but I am none of it. I am none of it. बच्चा क्या बोलेगा? मम्मी बोल बच्चन हो, आप तो करते नहीं हो, हमें क्या बोल रहे हो? Till the age of 6-7 they may not even say, they are, because for till 7 you are everything to them. After that they can read between the line, and by the time they reach teen, they will have the vocabulary to give it back to you also. Okay? So all those mothers here who are saying, I do not have time for myself, what is it that you're doing? Are you kind of just sacrificing yourself for others, thinking this is what I am meant to do? Why I'm getting into this topic is because all of you are telling me here the biggest pain point of a mother is I hit my child and then I feel guilty about it. I do not know how to control my anger. And I have realized over the past few years that no matter how much positive discipline I teach you, no matter how much positive parenting I teach you, no matter how many tricks I tell you, no matter how do I tell you to deal with your child, प्रॉब्लम सब ये आ जाती है दैट द मदर इज नॉट हैप्पी टू इवन इम्प्लीमेंट इट. भाई साहब, इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए पहले माइंडसेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना. करेक्ट. इम्प्लीमेंट कुछ करने के लिए पहले माइंडसेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. वो माइंडसेट जब मेरा चेंज नहीं है एंड आई कीप लुकिंग एट माई चाइल्ड दैट माई चाइल्ड इज अ प्रॉब्लम, हाउ विल आई इम्प्लीमेंट एनीथिंग? आई कैन नॉट इम्प्लीमेंट एनीथिंग देन. शिवानी ने आई थिंक 3-4 टाइम्स शी हैज रिटन दैट मैम थप्पड़ मारने के पे रिग्रेट होता है. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. अब मैं आपको रिवाइंड करती हूँ शिवानी जी. ओके, थप्पड़ हम क्यों मारते हैं? चलो आज ये एक पॉइंट है जिस पे हम बात करेंगे. ओके, एवरीबडी टेल्स मी बट मैम देन मैम एक बात बताओ, बट वो इतना परेशान कर देता है ना मुझे कि मुझे थप्पड़ मारना ही पड़ता है. ओके शिवानी, I'm just taking your name because you're the one who has put it. Nothing personal. Okay. Now, अब मेरे को बात बताओ, मेरा हस्बैंड या मेरा सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम लोगों को इन लॉज से भी होती है, बट चलो सबको छोड़ दो. मेरे फ्रेंड, ठीक है, मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, उसने मुझे इतना इरिटेट कर दिया, मुझे पसंद भी नहीं है. बट प्रॉब्लम यह है कि वो मेरे घर में रह रही है और मैं उसको कुछ समझा रही हूँ, वो समझ ही नहीं रही है. मैं उसको समझा रही हूँ, भाई साहब ये ग्लास है, इसको तू मत पकड़, ये टूट जाएगा. बट वो फिर भी करी जा रही है और फाइनली उसने ग्लास तोड़ दिया. आपको लगता है मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को थप्पड़ मार सकती हूँ? आपको लगता है कि मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को थप्पड़ मार सकती हूँ? आप मारेंगे? आपके घर में आपकी फ्रेंड आई है और उसने चलते फिरते ग्लास तोड़ दिया, पटाक. आपको लगता है दैट यू कैन हिट योर फ्रेंड क्योंकि उससे ग्लास टूट गया? आप नहीं मार सकते हो क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आप किसी और को नहीं मार सकते. यू कैन नॉट हिट अनदर अडल्ट. ओके, सो ये जो मारने वाली पॉइंट है ना हमारे इंडियन पेरेंटिंग में हैज बेसिकली कम इन बिकॉज वी हैव बीन, our parents used to hit, their parents used to hit, उनके parents used to hit because they didn't know better. Okay, but my darlings, my friends, you have the power to stop it with you. Because when you hit a child, you are basically telling a child that you are wrong, you are bad, which is not true. क्योंकि उसके बाद जाके आपको रिग्रेट होता है, फिर आप उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा करते हो. You go out of the way to do it, and the child is confused. यार अभी तो थप्पड़ मारा था, अभी ये कर क्या रही है? मैंने ना आप एक रील डाली थी. ओके, which I'm gonna ask you live right now. Okay, अगर आपके बच्चे की टीचर उसको थप्पड़ मारती है, एवरीबडी गोज लाइक हाउ डेयर यू हिट माई चाइल्ड. मतलब आजकल तो टीचर चिल्ला दे उसके ऊपर भी पेरेंट्स शुरू हो जाते हैं. दे शुड हैव सेड इट इन अ बेटर वे. यू नो, दिस इज नॉट अ वे टू टॉक टू अ चाइल्ड. इट इज गोइंग टू इफेक्ट माई चाइल्ड्स मेंटल हेल्थ. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड सच थिंग्स? ओके, कि टीचर ने अगर बच्चे को जोर से उठा के टेबल से नीचे भी उतार दिया या टीचर ने जोर से कुछ बोल दिया, the mother goes fighting. How dare you say this to my child? How dare you didn't give chance to my child? You know, भाई बच्चे का मेंटल हेल्थ घर पे आके क्या हो जाता है? घर पे हमें गुस्सा आता है, हम तो उसको 2 लगा देते हैं. Why? Because we feel we have a right on a child to hit. Because I am frustrated, I am not able to manage what you're doing. I am feeling like I am a bad mother because you're not doing what I want you to do. So I have all the right to take my frustration on you, give you 2 types slaps because I don't know how else to make you stop, and this is justified. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Tell me. Hitting is never justified. Violence is never justified, ever. इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज हमें उस टाइम पे शॉर्ट टर्म सोल्यूशन चाहिए होता है कि मेरा बच्चा बस चुप हो जाए जैसे तैसे करके, आई विल डू एनीथिंग टू मेक माई चाइल्ड क्वाइट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. We hit our child when we are out of solutions. We hit our child when we are embarrassed. We hit our child because we think it is our right to hit our child. It is seriously our right to hit our child. I'll share one more story here. I know I have not been taking any questions here because today I really want to talk about motherhood, because last week I had 2 sessions one-on-one with my clients and I felt that the problem, parenting तो मैं बाद में सिखाऊंगी, पहले आपको समझाओ कि how you going to change your mindset. Because with that mindset you cannot do a positive parenting or a positive discipline, no matter how many solutions I give you, नहीं होगा. तो मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. हमारे यहाँ पे ना एक एयर शो हुआ, so I took Zorawar for it. Okay, now there was a 2.5 3-year-old child. Okay, ये सब एक बेंच पे बैठे हुए थे, लड़की थी, she is sitting, then there is another boy sitting, उसका भाई था, फ्रेंड था, मुझे पता नहीं, and then Zorawar was sitting. Okay, now of course a 2.5-year-old child is going to say I want, there was a flag between the two kids they had to share, the boy and the child, the girl. Okay, अब वो लड़की ऑफ कोर्स बोलेगी 2.5 3 years की है, नहीं नहीं मुझे यही चाहिए, मुझे फ्लैग ही चाहिए, मुझे पकड़ना है, मुझे पकड़ना है, वो बोल रही है. वो जो लड़का था वो आई थिंक उसके फ्रेंड का बेटा था, जो फादर के फ्रेंड का बेटा था, एंड द बॉय वाज अराउंड 5-6 years old. बॉय इज लाइक नहीं मैं पकड़ूंगा मैं पकड़ूंगा. लड़की का फादर आया, he literally just snatched the flag, इंडिया का फ्लैग बेटी के हाथ से, उसको 2 थप्पड़ लगाए for no reason, just because she was having a tantrum and the father was feeling embarrassed in front of the friend. उसने उसको 2 थप्पड़ लगाए and then उसने फ्लैग उठा के उस लड़के को दे दिया. What are you actually communicating to your child? You फादर गेटिंग एम्बैरेस्ड, क्या वो बच्चे की गलती है कि फादर एम्बैरेस हो रहा है? बच्चा इज ओनली बीइंग अ बच्चा यार, वो 2.5 3 years की बच्ची है वो. दैट्स ऑल शी इज एंड शी इज नॉट रॉन्ग. So if the father is getting irritated, embarrassed, is it a child's responsibility? Is it a child's mistake? You expect a 3-year-old to know how to behave in a public place? No. So the way we adults behave is basically how we have been conditioned. What triggers us? I gave you one more example. बहुत पहले, if you have been following for last year or उससे पहले से, there was a reel that I wrote about scribbling on walls. I cannot tolerate till date Zorawar scribbling on walls. Like literally मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, ओ मतलब आगे आ जाती है मेरे को अंदर की, भाई साहब तू गंदा मत कर, मतलब मैं टॉलरेट नहीं कर सकती हूँ, यू नो. नाउ if I am not able to tolerate mess, if I am not able to tolerate scribbling on wall, is it my child's fault or is it my fault कि somewhere I have been conditioned that if my child scribbles on wall, that means I am a bad mother, I do not know how to control. And then there are parents, for them it is absolutely fine. अरे बच्चा है, this is what the life should be about, this is how things should be, let them live. Are they wrong or am I wrong as a mother? Nobody is wrong. It is our mindset. It is how we have been brought up. It is how I have conditioned my mind. Okay? So coming back to थप्पड़ हम क्यों मारते हैं? हम थप्पड़ इसलिए मारते हैं because I am out of solutions. I do not know what else to do with this boy. और अगर your girl, sorry मैंने बच्चों को बदनाम नहीं करना चाहती कि लड़के होते हैं नॉटी, लड़कियां भी होती है, ठीक है. So my point to you is कि आप थप्पड़ इसलिए मारते हैं because your child is not learning. Because हम जब बच्चे को पढ़ाने बैठते हैं ना, हमें लगता है कि यार ये तू लिख ले ना, मतलब कितना टाइम लगता है तेरे को लिखने में, ABC तो लिखनी है, 2 वर्ड तो लिखने, लिख ले फटाफट. Are you helping your child? No, because you are irritated. भाई साहब आपको वो 2 वर्ड आते हैं, आपने पढ़ लिए इतने साल, उसको नहीं आते, उसने अभी शुरू किया है पढ़ना. इसमें क्या होता है ना, you are pushing your child too much, and with that pushing your child too much, you are building resentment, you are going to get irritated, that irritation is going to turn into shouting, and that shouting is going to turn into a slap. बिकॉज यू गो फॉरवर्ड थिंकिंग। अभी ये लिखेगा नहीं तो होमवर्क नहीं होगा, होमवर्क नहीं होगा तो टीचर बुलाएगी तो फिर वो मुझे सुनाएगी कि आपका बच्चा कुछ करता नहीं है, मैं एम्बैरेस होंगी। इससे अच्छा ये है कि मैं आज इसको 2 लगा के इसे होमवर्क करा दूं। राइट और रॉन्ग? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गो फॉरवर्ड पेसिंग? जब बच्चा कुछ करता है आप सीधा फ्यूचर में चले जाते हो। टाइप yes if you do that. I also do that. I'm not denying I don't do that. We all think we know the future. We all do that. But how we react on it is what we have to learn. Okay? So how many of you do forward pacing? मतलब कि बस यही हो जाएगा, आज मेरा बच्चा नहीं पढ़ा तो मतलब अगली उसको नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी। अगर मेरे बच्चे ने ये कोर्स नहीं किया ना, वो पीछे रह जाएगा, पक्की बात है, 100% वो पीछे रह जाएगा। यार उसके सारे फ्रेंड्स कर लेते, वो क्यों नहीं करता, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है। How many of you do forward pacing? We all do. बच्चे ने एक चीज नहीं करी होगी, या फिर बच्चे का किसी में सी आ गया होगा, या वो नेगेटिव मार्क में चले गया होगा, एंड वी गो लाइक ओ माय गुडनेस, ये तो फेल ही हो गया, ये तो जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, ओ गॉड इसके फ्रेंड्स को कितने मार्क्स आ गए, मेरा बच्चा तो लिख भी नहीं रहा है, मेरे बच्चे ने 2 लाइनें नहीं लिखी है, मेरे बच्चे ने 1 लाइन नहीं लिखी है। टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स हु डू दैट, लेट मी टेल यू, जो आपको पता ही होगा बिकॉज यू हैव बीन फॉलोइंग इंटरनेट सो नाइसली, ओके, this education system is not going to give you the jobs that are going to be available after 20 years. This education system is very old dated. ये बस हमें बच्चे को कराना पड़ता है because that is what we need, the minimum requirement of a country has to be. What your kid need these days is resilience. What your kid needs these days is confidence. What your kid needs these days is mindfulness. What your kid needs this day is knowing who they are. What your kid need these days is self control, which is the most important thing. How are you teaching that to your child when you're not teaching all that to yourself? You are very nicely picking up and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, okay, but when your child is doing that for 1 hour you get irritated. Why? पढ़ना नहीं है तुमको, पढ़ने नहीं जाना है तुमने, 1 घंटे से मोबाइल पे लगे हुए हो। भाई तो क्या करे, और वो आपको भी मोबाइल पे देख रहा है इसलिए वो भी मोबाइल पे है, वो भी मोबाइल पे है ना, इसलिए आपको भी मोबाइल पे देख रहा है तो वो भी मोबाइल पे है। सो कमिंग बैक टू माय मदरहुड वाला पॉइंट, ठीक है, इसके बाद आई विल टेक फ्यू क्वेश्चन बिकॉज आई थिंक आई हैव नॉट इवन टेकन वन। कमिंग बैक टू मदरहुड वाला क्वेश्चन, मदर्स, today in the life my only and only request to you is start growing yourself as a person. I don't know how many of you felt that you were lost somewhere when you had your first child. I felt. एक तो I left my job. I didn't leave my job when I got pregnant, but I left my job once I got married. Out of share, मैं थक गई थी काम कर करके, मेरे को था भाई साहब take care of me. I am like the princess, the queen of the world. I told my husband I'm quitting my job. You take care of me. He said okay. So I didn't know कि after 13 years of working, quitting a job is like lost. Okay. उसके बाद motherhood came. I was more lost. I didn't know what I was doing, and there's so much pressure from social media, from people, from your own mother. When I say your own mother, is not that my mother or mother-in-law used to pressurize me to do what I'm doing right or wrong. Problem used to be I have seen my mother being such a nice mother that I thought I will also be like that automatically. But ऐसा नहीं होता है. So how many of you felt so lost after being a mother for the first time, and you still feel lost? You haven't find that anchor somewhere. Type yes. I used to feel lost in the first few years, in the first one year I may say, because there was so much happening and I didn't know where to put myself. I have 4 kids, one is 5, huh? Me. Thank you, Uma. Thank you for being honest. Okay. Okay. See, we all feel lost as mothers. But क्या होता है ना, ये जो लॉस्ट वाला सिस्टम इसलिए होता है बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड एन एंकर. अगर आप शिप को या बोट को तैरने ही दोगे कि भाई तुम चली जाओ, मतलब देयर इज नो एंकरिंग हैपनिंग, It is just going to keep going here and there and there and there and there and there. बस चलती रहेगी, जहां जहां नहरें चलती रहेगी वहां वहां वो चलता रहेगा. जो लोग कहते हैं ना गो एज पर द फ्लो, भाई साहब गो एज पर तो फ्लो मतलब कहीं तो बताओ फ्लो जा किधर रहा है. समवेयर यू हैव टू एंकर योर सेल्फ, somewhere you have to anchor yourself, right or wrong. जब एंकरिंग ही नहीं होगी लाइफ में तो हम बस चलते रहेंगे. एंड व्हेन जब आप चलते रहोगे ना you'll feel more lost because you don't know what kind of friends you want, you do not know what kind of a life you want, you do not know what excites you, you do not know what kind of a lifestyle you want, you do not know what kind of a mother you want to be, what kind of a parenting you want to be do. So you get lost and then you get more lost and then you get more lost, and it's like a vicious cycle of going down and down and down and down. वो कहते हैं ना, when you are in depression, when you're in anxiety, when you're going through stress, this is the only way down because your mind keeps going round and round and round and round and everything looks bad. So that one thought that keeps coming into your head, no, कि I am lost, I don't know who I am, I don't have an identity, मैं यही करने के लिए रह गई हूँ क्या, पहले मैं इतना काम करती थी अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, इज दिस व्हाट आई एम फॉर. और इफ यू आर अ हाउसवाइफ, समटाइम्स आई हैव सीन पीपल हु आर एट होम, दे लुक आउट एंड से अरे यार वो उसका सही है यार, वो काम पे भी चली जाती है, वो घर भी संभाल लेती है. भाई साहब आपको उसका बैकग्राउंड नहीं पता है, मे बी उसके पास हेल्प है, मे बी उसके पास इन लॉज है, मे बी शी इज समवन जिसको हैप्पीनेस मिलती है टू गो आउट एंड वर्क, अदरवाइज शी विल लूज हर आइडेंटिटी. ओके, सो डोंट कंपेयर योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Second of all, coming back to anchoring, one thing I want to tell you is how to anchor yourself is do a small goal setting for yourself, mothers. Small मतलब छोटा, इतना ही करना है आज आपने, ठीक है. आज क्या डेट है, आज है 24 अप्रैल. चलो मई के महीने में do one goal setting for yourself. One is what I want you to do. One. Okay, so when I do the live by end of May, I will ask you, okay, one goal setting, and I really want you, please DM me, please send me a mail, do whatever, and I'm going to call you up and on Instagram may end में, and I'm going to ask you if you did it or not. Now let me give you an example. You'll be like ma'am क्या goal setting करें, goal setting मतलब क्या ये सब करना, नहीं, goal setting simple. जैसे for example I want to start working out, और मेरा goal ये है कि for next month I will meditate at least 5 minutes a day. मेरा गोल ये है कि आई विल लर्न टू कुक समथिंग न्यू, आई विल लर्न वन न्यू रेसिपी एवरी वीक. मेरा गोल ये है दैट आई विल गेट अप एंड ड्रेस माई सेल्फ नाइसली. आज मेरे को कहीं नहीं जाना है, बट जनरली आई एम ड्रेस्ड लाइक दिस ओनली. द डे आई डोंट ड्रेस अप आई फील वेरी सैड. सो वाई टू फील सैड, वाई गो गेट ड्रेस्ड अप नाइसली, पुट नाइस ज्वेलरी, लिपस्टिक लगाओ. दैट्स माई गोल ऑफ द डे. मेरा गोल ये है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड फाइंड फ्रेंड्स. मेरा गोल ये है that I am going to make an effort of going out once a week. Can you all at least set one teeny tiny goal for yourself? गोल ये है I want to finish a book. You have to grow, mothers, otherwise you will feel dead. If a plant doesn't grow, what happens, tell me? When a plant doesn't grow, what happens? Chalo, let me find an answer to this. To this Huma Sheikh, I'll come back to you. I don't go out and I am so frustrated. I'll get back to you, okay? But abhi ye batao, if a plant doesn't grow, what happens? If a plant doesn't grow, what happens? कोई तो आंसर दो यार. If a plant doesn't grow, what happens? मर जाएगा plant. Yes, मर जाएगा plant. वही human होते हैं. We all have a innate need to grow. Please understand that. We have 5 needs. इसके बारे में कभी और बात करेंगे. But one of those need is to grow. If I feel I am stuck at one place, slowly I feel suffocated. When I feel suffocated, I am going to die. And when I say die, doesn't mean physical form में die. I mean my soul is dying. So my lovely mothers out there, don't let your soul die. Someone wrote here, its root is dead. Exactly. So I'm going to take from you, Anupriya. Your root is the soul. Physically you will be alive, but somewhere deep inside you're going to die because you're not growing. You know, I remember my mother, okay, like my dad used to be in a defense background, so my mother decided to travel everywhere with him, okay, and we used to travel along. So sometimes she will find some work to do, other times she will not find any work to do, okay. Matlab, theek hai, she had always prioritized us, but she had grown in her own self. You know how? She would read books, she would join classes. I've seen her, she would study. If nothing else is there, she will study. Otherwise she'll do crochet, she will do knitting, she will be like, she always creating something, because for her creating something gave her that opportunity that yes, I am doing something, I am doing something productive. Grow doesn't mean you have to go out and earn. Economic value is separate than how you value yourself. It's a completely different thing. Am I making sense to you? A lot of us feel that I will only be valued if I earn. How many of you feel like that? I will only be valued if I earn. And I will be very honest with you, कभी कभी वो feeling मेरे में भी आती थी, अब नहीं आती, अब मैं बहुत बेशरम हो गई हूँ, ओके. किस किस को ऐसा लगता है that the value, I can only be valued if I earn? That is not, that is the worst way of valuing yourself, my dear. You are valued because you take care of the house. You are valued because you are who you are. You are valued because of your kindness, your compassion. You are valued because the person you are. Tomorrow I can give you, chalo, tomorrow you earn kitna? 1 lakh rupees a month, but you're not a compassionate person, you're not a kind person, you're not a friend that I can come to, you're not the person I want to talk to you. Do you hold any value? Do you want to be that person who is earning 1 lakh rupees a month but is not contributing to anybody, anything, is rude all the time? Do you want to be that person? Tell me. So the economic value वाला जो सीन है ना, कि अगर मैंने पैसे कमाए तभी मेरी वैल्यू है, is something that society, people, we ourselves has put on us because we feel मेरी वैल्यू वो 1 लाख रुपए है. नहीं, वो पैसे है सिर्फ, आपकी वैल्यू उससे बहुत ज्यादा है. If you are going to hold this mindset, you are going to pass this mindset to your child as well, which is wrong. Is your child's value, can you put a value on your child? Tell me. I know this is a very inappropriate question to ask, but I'll still ask. And I'm sorry if you find it rude, but tell me, can you put a value on your child? Will you put a value on your child? Will you put a value on your husband? Will you put a value on your child or your husband? No. Then why are you putting a value of XXX rupees on yourself? Why are you putting a value of XXX rupees on yourself? भगवान कर रहा है, आपका हस्बैंड बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, करोड़ों में कमा रहा है, ठीक है, आप उससे क्यों प्यार करते हो? क्योंकि वो आपको अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. आप उसके साथ क्यों हो? बिकॉज ही मेक्स यू फील सेफ. आप उनको, यू वॉन्ट टू बी टुगेदर. कल वो 1 करोड़ नहीं कमाएगा, वो 10 लाख कमाएगा, 10,000 कमाएगा. You think your value for your husband is going to go down? I think your love will double because you will step in and say, let's do it together, darling. कुछ नहीं होता, पहले 1 करोड़ कमाते थे, अब 10,000 कमा रहे हो, इकट्ठे करेंगे. Don't you think your relationship is going to become stronger? Because you don't love your husband or your child or your friend for the amount they earn. You love them for who they are, right? Love yourself for who you are. Invest in yourself. Invest in who you are. Take care of yourself. If you are not going to change your mindset around it, you're going to pass on this mindset to your child. Do you want your child to feel that only if I score 90 marks my mama is going to love me? Because आजकल हम उनको उनके ऊपर प्राइस तो नहीं लगाते, बट मार्क्स की वैल्यू जरूर लगा देते हैं. डू यू वॉन्ट योर चाइल्ड टू फील दैट ओनली इफ आई अर्न, only if I score 90 or 95, I will be valued in the house? I'm sure a lot of you will say no. A lot of you will say no. And I know people who, when they were young, were only valued because they would only be like, कितने मार्क्स आए? 90. अच्छा, 10 मार्क्स कहाँ कट गए? And the child used to feel, am I ever doing enough? And that's the mindset they carry when they go along the way. That's the mindset they carry कि यार अगर मैंने कमाया नहीं तो मतलब मेरा कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है. Right? So mothers, before I wind this up, I hope you found this helpful, and you are going to do one thing, one teeny tiny, I just want a teeny tiny thing. And before you go, all those who have been participating, write here what is that one thing that you're going to do in May. I am sweating like anything because I forgot to put my fan on. One day I will show you the kopcha that I do live from or I work from. Then you will understand. Don't wait for setups, don't wait for things. नहीं होता है. Just start where you are. Okay, just start. कर दो. There will be someone who is looking for you. You have so much knowledge in you. But उससे पहले अपनी वैल्यू करो. अपनी वैल्यू नहीं करोगे तो कोई तुम्हारी वैल्यू नहीं करेगा. कोई भी नहीं करेगा. So to all the mothers who are here, tell me that one thing that you are going to do in the month of May for yourself and for your growth. I'll wait now. Take a pause for 3 minutes. Let's do it. Chalo. Tell me. All one teeny tiny thing. And I'm going to hold all of you responsible by end of May. I'm going to read. It's not that I'm not reading. I'm reading the messages. I know who have been actively replying. So tell me. Sandhu says, thank you. You are welcome, darling. I feel I also needed this pep talk आपके जैसे. So मैंने कहा यही टॉपिक होगा. बच्चों के बारे में बाद में करेंगे. Do not wait for setups and be like you. Oh, definitely. Who is this? Fitness with Anchal. Oh, yeah. You want to see my setup now? If you guys want to see my setup, do you want to see my kopcha? मैं कितने एरिया में काम करती हूँ? If that helps. Do you want to see? I'll show you once I'm about to finish. Okay, it's just this much. ये wall है. ये दूसरी तरफ मेरा hand है. इतना ही है. सच्ची में इतना ही है. कुछ नहीं है और. It is behind my bedroom. There is one space. I just work from there. That's it. It's my space. I will do part for myself. Brilliant. I'll show you fitness. Wait. I'll show you. Before we end, I'll show you. Don't worry. But you promise me. Okay. Fitness with Anchal. What do you promise to do in May? Tell me one thing. Okay? Tell me. So I only found 1% replying. क्यों भाई? बाकी किसी को कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं चाहिए, किसी को ये नहीं चाहिए, मतलब एंकरिंग नहीं करनी, अपने वे काम नहीं करना, बच्चे की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दो. मैं आपको एक चीज बताऊं, जब आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने लग जाएगी ना, बच्चे की प्रॉब्लम्स अपने आप सॉल्व होने लग जाएगी, बिकॉज यू आर सो कनेक्टेड विद योर सेल्फ एज अ मदर दैट योर इंट्यूशन विल स्टार्ट टेलिंग यू व्हेन टू रिएक्ट, व्हेन टू होल्ड बैक, when to tell your child what to do and when to guide your child, when to be firm with your child and when to be like चल कोई बात नहीं यार, my intuition says he needs little time, let me give him some time. लेकिन जब खुद की गांठें ही नहीं खुलेगी ना, जब खुद में इतने उलझे रहेंगे, where will you get the download from the God or your intuition? Where will it work from? So please first let's untangle ourselves and then start working with our child. Working with a child is very easy. I'm not kidding. It's very easy because they are so pure. We need to come to their purity level to deliver it to them. Okay? Foundation. Okay, wait. Sorry यार कुछ हो गया मेरे फोन को. I'll just take a minute. Sorry. Okay. I will try to concentrate on my learning, fashion, designing and lose weight at the same time. Huma, do not ever set too many goals. फर्स्ट नंबर. आई विल ट्राई नहीं होगा, आई विल. There is a difference, okay? ये मैंने बहुत पहले सीखा था, and I teach the same thing to my child. That's why I say, when you learn, you teach your child the same things, okay? You see this phone? You see this phone? I'll try to pick up the phone. I'm trying. I'm literally trying to pick up the phone. This is called trying, okay? I will pick up the phone. When I tell my mind, okay, that when I tell my mind I'll try to do something, your mind don't take it seriously because it's not a command. It's like telling your child, beta, try picking up your toys please and put it in the basket. बच्चा सुनेगा? बच्चा बोलेगा ट्राई करना है ना, नहीं हो रहा मम्मी, हो ही नहीं रहा, एंड वो बोल के चले जाएगा. आपने बोला था ट्राई करना है, ट्राई किया, नहीं हुआ मम्मा, हुआ ही नहीं. बट when you tell your child, बेटा pick up your toys and put it in the basket, you think तब होगा? बताओ. तब the possibility of doing it is more because you are very clear with your child what is expected. So treat your brain like your child. Be very clear with your child. Listen, किसी ने यहाँ लिखा I will lose my weight 3 to 5 kgs. Brilliant. That is exactly the same thing you need to tell yourself. I will do this. You know, I will do that. I will learn 2 chapters a day, or I will learn 2 chapters in May. It's okay. Don't overcommit. Another thing, this is for you and for your child as well. We lose confidence when we overcommit. When Zoravar also tells me something, no, Mama, you know what? In next 1 month, I will do this. And I know it is overachievable. मतलब उससे बहुत होगा ही नहीं, मुझे पता है नहीं होगा. ठीक है, कर लेगा तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. But I always tell him, I said, Zoravar, start small and build on it. Why do I say start small is? उसने मुझे बोल दिया, Mama, by my birthday, I am going to write 10 sentences. I don't want to get his, I don't want कि उसका to get his this thing down, his confidence down. So I tell him, let's start small. Next 2 weeks, can we write 1 sentence? I break things down. Do the same with you if you do not want to lose your confidence. Because क्या होता है ना, हम overcommit करते हैं, जब वो नहीं होता, we'll give it up. And then our brain को signal मिलता है कि Divya is always saying she will do it, but she does not do it. So next time if she says she's going to do it, don't even take her seriously. वो सिर्फ बोलती है, बोल बच्चन है वो. This is how our brain works. Okay? So to all those who are writing their short goals, first of all, congratulations. I at least feel that this 1 hour that I spent with you has been of some faida to you. You know, it has been of some use to you. Okay, and I'm happy that it has been. Okay, now you are taking and giving me a promise that for next 1 month you're going to do these things. Okay, ठीक है, आप ये सब करेंगे. I'll just read few of them. I'll try to concentrate on my learning. Ma'am coming on social media. Value myself and no foundation on child for studies. Your words motivated me. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. ठीक है. So all those who have promised me, please do it. Now we are already 1 hour done, but let's do one question. Oh, who is this girl was written? Rufsaz has written, so I'm just going to take her questions because I'm going to read your question. You know why? Let me tell you, whatever you're feeling is okay. I am pregnant, she writes, I am pregnant, I'm scared that how I will take care of my coming child, or am I able to be a good parent? Now, Rufas, see, I'm very bad at taking names. मैं पहले ही बता दूँ, मैंने पहले भी बहुत गलती करी है. So I'm sorry if I have not pronounced it correctly. Okay. See, darling, if God is blessing you with a child, He knows you're the mother that the child needs. Okay. So instead of you stressing about what I'm going to do and do the mistake that I did, कि ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए, am I helping my child? No, my darling, you're not at all helping your child. If you're pregnant, First of all, take good care of yourself, please, because trust me, once the baby is born, you're going to be all over the place for 6 months. तुम्हें खुद ही नहीं पता होगा कि हो क्या रहा है. So pamper yourself. Do, instead of staying in anxiety कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा. फ्यूचर तो आपने भी नहीं देखा ना, फ्यूचर तो आपने भी नहीं देखा कि क्या होने वाला है. उसकी एंजाइटी लेंगे, वो एंजाइटी बच्चे के पास जाएगी. You understand now that you transfer energy. You understand that whatever you think, your child is also thinking. You understand that whatever you're feeling, your child is also feeling. And I say it is not only in the womb. This is even when the child comes out. They can sense your anxiety. They know something is wrong. Till the age of 7, 8, they are actually with you. They know how you're feeling. Okay? So, I want you to change your mindset a little bit. Okay? Tell me if you can. Remind yourself every day in the morning that if God is blessing me with the child, then he thinks that I can be the best mother to this child. And if he is blessing me with this child, he is going to give me the capability of taking care of the child. अब हिंदी में बोलती हूँ बिकॉज मुझे 2-3 मैसेज ऐसे मिल गए कि मैम प्लीज हिंदी में बोलो. अगर आपको भगवान एक बच्चा दे रहा है, then trust me, वो कुछ सोच के ही दे रहा है. We all believe in some kind of a God, universe, somebody, right? Somebody above us, because somebody has created us. Now, if that creation is giving you a child, okay, is blessing you with a soul, that is because that creation trusts you to take care of that soul. उसको लगता है कि हाँ यही इसी तरीके की मदर इस बच्चे को चाहिए. Because there is a future you have not seen, the universe has seen. Okay, so keep telling yourself this again and again, and instead of feeling anxious, which is not helping you or your child, one, take care of yourself 200%. Trust me, pamper yourself. Ask any mother on this Instagram itself, chat pe, they will tell you once the child is born you will have no time for yourself. So whatever little months are left before you deliver the baby, please पैम्पर. जो करना है करो, टीवी देखना है, जो पढ़ना है, अच्छी चीजें पढ़नी है, जो करना है, जो खाना है खाओ. पैम्पर योरसेल्फ. Okay, you're going through so many changes, and keep telling yourself, I am going to be the mother this child needs. I am going to learn more, I am going to do more, and I am going to be my best. All you need to do, my darling, is be your best. If you are your best, if you're managing from a place of good vibes, if you're managing from a state of feeling good, your reactions are going to be better, your understanding is going to be better, your behavior is going to be better. So what you need to work on is yourself. Okay, so with that, my lovely mothers, today was all about motherhood. No, there was no Mother's Day or anything. आज मन किया इसलिए motherhood पे था. But I think we need more of this. I personally feel. How many of you feel we need to talk more about motherhood, more about how we can take care of ourselves, more about how we feel? Because अगर हम सही है तो सब कुछ सही होगा. बच्चों के लिए तो मैं टिप्स दे ही दूंगी यार. बच्चों के लिए तो टिप्स गूगल कर लो, वैसे ही बहुत मिल जाते हैं. ओके, बच्चों के लिए तो मैं बता ही दूंगी कि ये करना है, वो करना है, ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है. बट अगर आपका स्टेट ही करेक्ट नहीं है, आप वो करोगे भी तो कोई फायदा नहीं है. ओके, सच्ची में कोई फायदा नहीं है. मेरे साथ भी होता है. व्हेन आई गेट आउट ऑफ माई स्टेट, मतलब व्हेन देयर इज सो मच हैपनिंग इन माई लाइफ एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू होल्ड माई स्टेट इन द हाइएस्ट ऑफ माई फॉर्म, इन द सेंस जब मैं इरिटेटेड हूँ, जब मैं फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हूँ, जब मैं अपने इमोशंस पे कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, तब क्या होता है ना, गुस्सा कहाँ निकलता है? जोरावर गिल पे निकलता है या मेरे हस्बैंड पे निकलता है. ओके, गलती उनकी नहीं होती है, गलती मेरी होती है. मुझे पता है मैं इरिटेटेड हूँ, मुझे पता है कि मैं ऐसी हूँ. इनफैक्ट अब तो मुझे पता होता है तो मैं पहले ही बोल देती हूँ अपने हस्बैंड को, भाई साहब इरिटेशन वाला मूड है आज, मतलब इरिटेट भी ना करना, मतलब छूना भी मत. छूना भी मतलब माय हस्बैंड हैज दिस हैबिट ऑफ पोकिंग, कुछ बोलते रहते. दैट इज हाउ ही इज, दैट्स हाउ हिज नेचर इज, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई लव हिम आल्सो सो मच. जिस दिन वो नहीं इरिटेट करते तो मुझे लगता है क्या हो गया घर में, ये मेरे बड़े बच्चे को क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई है कि आज इसने इरिटेट नहीं किया मुझे. ओके, बट मैं जोरावर को तो नहीं बोल सकती ना कि आज मम्मा इरिटेटेड मूड में है तो आज मम्मा को तंग मत करना. वो कहाँ समझेगा? तो गुस्सा किस पे निकलता है? इसके लिए लेट्स एलिवेट आवरसेल्फ एज मदर्स एंड कीप रिमाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ. और कोई कुछ बोले ना तो बोल दो, भाई साहब मैं खुश तो घर खुश. If I am happy, everybody around me is going to be happy. So if I need that 10 minutes, that half an hour, I'm not begging you, I'm telling you I need it. It is my time. Simple. You figure it out. वो आधा घंटा तुमने क्या करना है. And to all the mothers who are too much about पता नहीं पीछे से क्या हो रहा होगा, प्लीज सब ठीक होगा, टेंशन मत लो. वो आधा घंटा अपने साथ निकालो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ निकालो, बाहर जाओ, कॉफी पीने चले जाओ, कुछ नहीं हो तो बाहर जाके बैठ जाओ बेंच पे, आधा घंटा सोचो, जो करना है करो. Learn something. Don't waste your time. Okay? Don't waste your time. Once, last thing I'll say, once a mother told me, yaar my kids are so small, I do want to work, but what do I do now? I can't leave my kids. I said, so what are you using this time for? She said, I don't know, मैं क्या करूँ, मैं पूरा दिन इसके से पीछे पीछे घूमती रहती हूँ. मैंने कहा, then work on yourself. This is a phase of your life where you can work on yourself. You can learn something new. You can do something new. You can create something new. You don't have to go outside. You can learn a new skill. You can learn Canva. You can learn Instagram. You can read a book. You can join a course. You can learn about parenting. Whatever your interest is. I said to use this time to build the foundation. And when your child is out, that is when you go out and start preaching, or that is when you go out and start coaching, or that is when you go out and use that skill in the job that you do. Suppose you're on a job and you're taking a sabbatical लिया हुआ है आपने कि भैया मेरे को नहीं जाना है, 2 साल में वो जॉब से रिलेटेड कोई कोर्स कर लो. यू आर अपस्किलिंग योरसेल्फ. आप ग्रो कर रहे हो. बिकॉज इफ यू डू नॉट ग्रो, व्हाट हैपेंस? यू डाई. द प्लांट इज गोइंग टू डाई. द सोल इज गोइंग टू डाई. And when you are going to operate from a place where your soul is dead, you can never be a happy mother. You can never raise a child who feels connected to you, because you're not connected to yourself. Okay? So to all those who wanted to see my space, do you still want to see my space of where I work? Type yes. Type yes, 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 yes. Then I'll show you my space. इतना ही नहीं, बस मुझे ऐसे ऐसे ही घुमाना है. इतना ही स्पेस है मेरा. दिखाती हूँ आपको. Okay. So let me show you. एक मिनट. आज लैपटॉप पे हूँ ना, मैं तो इजी हो जाता. Okay. So this is the space. Okay. You see this? ये एक तरफ है. This is my ring light. This is one wall. You see this wall? हाँ. Okay. एंड देखो इधर बैठे बैठे स्पेस खत्म हो जाती है, और ये दूसरी स्पेस है, दूसरी वॉल है. मैंने बोला ना, मेरे जगह इतना है. आई डोंट नीड मच. यू डोंट नीड टू वेट फॉर अ परफेक्ट स्टूडियो टू स्टार्ट. यू डोंट नीड टू वेट फॉर एनीथिंग टू स्टार्ट. सो आई शो यू द आउटसाइड. दिस इज वेयर आई सिट एंड वर्क. दिस इज ऑल आई हैव. दिस इज ऑल इट इज. That's all. This is a kopcha. I got a kopcha in my house where I work. I don't know how much you can see. I'm trying to show it from my laptop. Phone hota to I could have shown you, but this is how my laptop looks like. So to all those people out there who is not starting or doing something or waiting for that perfect nice studio that जो हमें दिखता है and we feel we need that to be successful, it's all a myth. Okay, so just start. I'm going to take another photo. Okay, because I want to show you how complicated this entire thing is to come and do Facebook and Instagram live, but I'm loving it. I have, you know why I'm loving it? Because I've learned something new. If you were there in my last live, I struggled a lot, but then I didn't give up, because there's one little thing. यार ये मैंने नया सीखा, ये मैंने आज नई चीज करी, gives me a kick, gives me a fact कि मैंने कुछ नया सीखा. I don't need to put a price tag on myself that I am worth XXX amount of money that I earn. I do not put a price tag on that. I put a tag on myself कि मैंने नया क्या सीखा, आज मैंने नया क्या किया. Okay, so with that I am going to end today's live. It was very good. It was something that even I needed to hear myself. Let's be very honest. Okay, even I needed to hear myself. So I am going to now talk a little bit more about parenting, motherhood and children. Let's club all together, because I cannot raise confident, resilient, connected children till the time I don't feel confident, resilient or connected to myself. So with that, happy Thursday, and I will see you next Thursday 11:30. Okay, and all of those who have made me a promise for May, be there. Last week of May, I am going to ask you. Okay, take care. Bye. Thanks, Rajini. I'm so happy that you joined today. She's my. We did life coaching together. She's like my soul sister. I call her my soul sister. Life coach Rajini. She's like my soul sister. Our life has been very parallel. मेरे से तो बातें कराते रहो तो मैं भी काट देती हूँ. नहीं तो ये चलता ही रहेगा.